Guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have just these two questions to answer on the topic evolution. So guys, this video will be about adaptation for survival. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, a vestigial structure in humans is A. Tailbone, B. Earlobe, C. Villus, D. Gallbladder. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's the tailbone. So it's just the tailbone that we have no need for in the human body, and that's the vestigial organ that we have. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 2 here, and it says, which of these organs can be considered vestigial in humans but functional in other mammals? So we have here A. Stomach, B. Appendix, C. Rectum, D. Liver. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's the appendix. So the appendix here is vestigial in humans, but actually it's functional in other mammals. So in humans, you notice that the appendix has lost its function, like it's actually not being used particularly for anything in humans. But guys, in other mammals, for instance the rabbits, the appendix is a part of their intestine where they actually digest cellulose, and that's it for that question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will be very helpful to you even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.